My approach is that of science. Scholars try to demonstrate that their thesis is true. The essence of science is falsifiability. It's my job, if I come up with an idea, to use all my skills to prove I'm wrong. So I'm always trying to find the most minimum, the most elegant solution, and I'm always trying to figure out how it could be accidental, how it could be misleading me, how it could be just a coincidence. When you wring this down to its essence, you end up, and you can see this on the website, you end up with some of these models. It turns out that each one of those turns into a loop, and there's 2 halves to each loop, and you end up with a number of geometric forms that are based on smoke rings. Now it says at the beginning of the Zohar is a Kabbalistic work, so-called, that the scholars claim is a pious forgery, made up by Moses de Leon in medieval times. It's recently being retranslated by Daniel Matt, a scholar, worked for Jack Milgram in California. Matt is a very diligent scholar. Matt hasn't got a clue as to what the deep meaning of it is, and the scholar's opinion of the Zohar is it's a pious forgery. There's no real meaning at all. These are just speculations, musing. In the section on Genesis, it's in the, we have packets at the back. It's in one of our eTorahs. It says in the Zohar, in the section on Genesis, that it's about something that forms in the formlessness and thrust in a ring. And he references the words for forming and formlessness, thrust in a ring, and he refers to smoke and a smoke ring. And he doesn't make the association. This is made by the Zero Blaster company in, I think it's in Concord, Mass. It's a little piston and a chamber which you fill up with heated glycerin or glycerol of some sort. It's non-toxic. And then you pull back on the plunger and it makes little smoke rings. Forming and formlessness, thrust in a ring. The formlessness is the smoke. It's just telling you that the air has no form. It's not anything but a tracer to show you that there's nothing going on. But when you pull back and let go, the little bellows action makes smoke rings. Well, it turns out in modern physics, if you start with no thing, the first thing topologically that can form is something where the no thing falls through itself, there being nothing else to happen. That forms a kind of smoke ring. So this is both a solution to what the Zohar is actually saying, a description of the smoke ring in Genesis, and good modern physics. And not only that, but what we're going to discover, which is what the talk is about, is that it's all based on the golden rule.